Assalamualaikum. My name is Vikas. Currently, I have completed my CAF examinations and awaiting results for one paper. So today we are going to discuss what is CA qualifications. CA stands for Chartered Accountancy, and it is a globally recognized qualification that requires significant efforts and consistency. Although CA एक difficult qualification है, लेकिन अ, अगर किसी स्टूडेंट्स के पास एक अच्छा मेंटोर है, चाहे वो एक अच्छे टीचर की सूरत में हो या उसका कोई रिलेटिव या कोई दोस्त हो जो कि सीए हो, अगर उसे वहाँ से गाइडेंस मिल रही हो तो उसके लिए सीए के पेपर क्लियर करना निस्बत आसान है उस स्टूडेंट के जिसको अच्छी गाइडेंस नहीं मिल रही होती। व्हाट इज आई कैप? आई कैप एक प्रोफेशनल बॉडी है पाकिस्तान की जो कि सीए के एग्जाम्स कंडक्ट करवाती है और यही वो अदारा है जो स्टूडेंट्स को क्वालिफिकेशन के बाद डिग्री अवार्ड करता है। एडमिशन एलिजिबिलिटी एंड एंट्री क्राइटेरिया। वेल, after intermediate, students with at least 50% marks can join CA qualifications. However, after bachelor, students can join CA as well with a minimum 45% of the marks. It is important to note here that students within 50% to 60% marks are required to appear in CAT tests, but the students above 60% marks are exempt from CAT test. Well, so let's see the first level of CA. PRC is the first level of CA that consists of 5 papers: business writing and comprehension skills, quantitative methods, principle of economics, introduction to accounting, and introduction to business. These are basically computer-based examinations that consist of multiple choice questions only. After passing PRC, students can appear in CAF, that is level 2 of CA, which consists of 8 papers, and these are subjective type papers. It is important to note that there is a new scheme under approval. If scheme has been approved, there will be a changes in PRC and CAF. In PRC, there will be no business writing papers, as we have this earlier. Business writing papers will be treated from PRC. Means there will be no business writing paper in PRC after the approval of new schemes. Well, economics and introduction to business paper will be merged into one paper, and in CAF, business law and company law will be merged. Business law in group A and company law in group B will be merged into one paper, and a new paper, data system and risk, will be added in CAF. After successfully completion of PRC and CAF, students becomes eligible for articleships. Although a separate video will be uploaded, but I am going to briefly discuss the articleship here. It is compulsory for a student to complete a 3.5-year training in an organization for their CA qualifications. Students are provided with a stipend starting from 22,600 per month, and it increases according to the papers we have cleared. The maximum stipend can be 84,700 per month after successful passing of all of the CA examinations. Well, after 1 year of training, students becomes eligible to appear in CA level 3, that is CFAP. It consists of 6 papers, And after that, there will be a level 4 that consists of two papers. In new schemes, these two papers will be purged if approved. Well, there are ICAP approved colleges. These are basically private colleges that are registered with ICAPs, and the status you can study above mentioned subjects of PRC, CAF, CFAP, or MSc by yourself or physically or online from these institutes. I have added the list of institutes from Lahore, and their estimated average fee according to me is for PRC and CAF. You can visit respective colleges for their fee structures. And remember that this type of fee can be negotiated. However, there is a fixed fee that is ICAP's registrations and examination fees. Registrations and annual subscription fees. Registration fees is 15,000, and it is initially required when students becomes registered with ICAPs. However, there is an annual subscription fees of 5,000 per year. Examination fees is for PRC per paper is 6,400, and for CAF is 6,000, and for CFAP is 12,200, and for MSc is 17,400. For each additional paper, there will be 3,900 for CAF and 4,800 for CFAP and then 9,100 for MSc. These fees are fixed and cannot be negotiated. Chartered accountancy in Pakistan. Well, qualified chartered accountant can work in different sectors like audit firms, banking and finance sectors, and taxation sectors of different companies, and taxation of individual as well, general management and consulting. Expected salaries. It depends on experience and skills along with relevant organizations. Students with after completion of their articles and after clearance of all of their CF subjects uh, almost get 150,000 as a starting salary package. Will CA be replaced by AI? No, CA will not be replaced by AI. However, AI will help chartered accountancy in their overall career. International job market. Yes, a lot of qualified chartered accountants from Pakistan are working abroad in different countries like Saudi Arabia, UAE, and different Western countries. That's all from me. For further questions or informations, you can text me on personal number that I have added on the description of this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.